Hello guys, in this video today I will be solving the LeetCode accounts merge question. So there is no prerequisite for this question, but you should have understood the concept of disjoint set. So I'll recommend this types video where you can easily learn and understand the disjoint set. So the class of this disjoint set is really necessary. You should know that before solving this question. So please check the video in the description. I will check the video link in the comments. So now let's solve the question, begin to solve. Okay, so the question states that we have different accounts like this and this, and if we have the same account, we have to push in the same number, same name. Like John has this many accounts, but the johnsmith@mail.com is common to both, so therefore this and this will get merged. Okay, so you can see that all these John mails are merged. Similarly, but this Johnny Bravo @mail.com is of different John. Why? Because see, John Smith @mail.com and this is common to both, therefore these two will get merged, but it is not common to like any of these, this and this, so hence it will not get merged. So you can see that this is not merged. Okay, so the output will be like this. We have to do this. So first we have to like do this. Okay, so first I will reset the code. Okay, so I'll code side by side so that you can understand easily, Okay, so first we will copy the disjoint set code from my previous submission. Okay, I have pasted it here. Okay, now the question states like this. Okay, we will give the respective ranks to this respective strings. Okay, so like this. Okay. So this will be given rank 0. Okay, this will be given rank 1. Okay, this will be given rank 1, and similarly this and this will be given rank 2 and 3 respectively. Okay, rank 2 and rank 3 respectively, this Mary and this last John Bravo @mail.com. Okay, so we have assigned the ranks to that. Now we will merge them. Okay, so let's create the map so that we can number them according to that string. Okay, we have to map this string to its rank. Okay, so how can we will do this? Okay, first we will create the unordered map which contain our string and int and then map. Okay, we will have created our unordered map. Now we will traverse for auto I to counts 1 second. Int n is equals to counts dot size, and then we will create disjoint set ds and then 7. Okay, so now we will traverse for int I is equals to 0, I less than n, and then I plus plus. Here not 7, here n will be. Okay, for int I is equals to j equals to 0, j less than accounts of I dot size, and then j plus plus. Okay, So if accounts of I and J, okay, if this is already existed, if this one second, if this string is not found, okay, if this string is not found in our map, so like mapping will be done like this: 0 is mapped to something something, 1 is like this string 1 like this, okay, I like this is mapped to 0, okay, and then another this mapped to 1, okay, mapped to 1. So like similarly, if our map does not found this string, okay, if our map does not found this string, like first get this string mail is equals to account, so I j. So here you will be clear. If our string is like, let's say not found, okay, like let's say not found, so not found is double equal to, and if find, here you can uh, this will be the found condition and this will be not found condition, okay. If mail is not found, okay, so map dot string find string and then map dot end, okay. Now what we will have to do, map dot find string map dot end, okay, and add this account. We will map our mail with what, with the given index 0. If there is any or mail like this will be also mapped with 0, okay, because I is 0 here, so map of mail will be I, okay. This will become the mail accounts of ij, this will be ij, this will be mail, and this mail will be mapped to 0 if not found. And if that mail is found, okay, else if that mail is found already in the map, like here you can see uh, johnsmith@mail.com is in 0th rank, okay, 0th rank, and this, and again when we will traverse, we found that John Smith mail is like already present in the rank 0th, so we will merge the 0th rank and 1st rank, 0th rank and 1st rank, we will merge them. So like for merging them we will use like union by rank function, which takes the input as like I integer inputs, so the rank I and then map of mail, okay. So now the our merging is complete, okay, our merging is completed. So now what we will do, this we will create our vector string answer, okay, answer not answer, let's say temp, okay, and we will iterate through our map, okay. And first we will get our mail to be pushed, okay. We have to like create one single entity by merging these two. We have to create the single entity by merging these two. So for that we have write the function mail to be string mail to be pushed is equals to I dot first, okay, and then its rank will be int mail rank is equals to what, I dot second, okay. I hope this step will be clear to you. And then we will push like map of mail rank temp of mail rank dot push back what we will push mail to be pushed, okay. So we have done this also, our merging has completed, these two are merged now, okay. And if common rank 0 and 1 is empty, okay, no string at 1th rank, no string at first rank, okay. Now what we will do from here, okay, we have to return our answer by combining all these, okay, vector string answer, okay, and then we will traverse I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, okay, and let's vector create res, okay. So we will have to sort this elements, so we will have to sort also, to sort mail sort tab taken from temp of yeah. Now these are sorted, okay, these are sorted in ascending order, these mails, okay, because here our condition is the mails should be in sorted order, okay. So now we have done sorting also, and then initially we have to push the name, okay. So res dot push back back uh, uh, we have to push I, this one, okay. So this one is accounts of I and this index is 0, okay. So for pushing the names this will be 0, okay. And then if our this string, this temp is empty, okay, if temp dot size equals 0, we have to simply continue, we will break skip that iteration. Continue, what does it do? It skips that iteration, so there is no sorting for the empty string and no pushing of name in that empty string, so that iteration will be skipped and it will go to the next iteration. So this step is very most important, because here you can see this should be skipped. We have to not return this because this string has merged. So for skipping that iteration we have to use continue here, okay. Res dot pushback, and now we will simply push a temp in what, in res. So for auto I to temp here we will use IT temp, and then we will push back IT. Okay, and then we will simply push it the final output in our answer dot pushback res. Okay, and then we will have to return our answer. So at first there will be like some small errors which we will tackle side by side. Map dot find here mail. Okay, now let's check, is it working fine? Union by rank TS. Okay, now let's here male rank will be upper parent. Okay, the most upper parent, so this will be like this, okay, I dot second. So if you will get to know the concept of disjoint set, you can easily know that why I have put this here. Okay, now let's run this. Here compilation error, what does it say? Here DS. Now let's check it again. Temp of mail rank dot where mail to be pushed. Okay, so like what is going on? Let's check previous submission. Rich mail to be pushed. We have done this. Vector string temp. Let's give it a size. Now let's check this by running. This temp dot 0. We'll have to check our submission. Okay, we have to check the ith, like we are iterating like this, so we have to like temp of 5, we have to do this temp of 5. Now it should be running like matching. Bravo is also question why. Okay. Short tempo file, tempo file dot and upper parent pushback into post and just like continue everything guys. Pushback 50 auto IT tempo file counts merge. Okay, we have done we have to iterate through one. Now let's check it by now you can see the small mistake we are doing that we have included this name this thing also, so we have to iterate through one, so this thing you have to be clear in your mind. Okay, now let's submit this. So you can see it is submitted and accepted. I hope you guys like the solution, and comment down that you want video in Hindi or in English. I'm not that fluent in English, but I'm practicing it. Okay.